Alright, fourth graders, today we're going to talk about symmetry. Who has ever heard of the word symmetry? Do you know what it means for something to be symmetric? Vanessa?
I've heard of a cemetery.
Cemetery. And that's where...
Whenever someone dies, they go there.
Yeah, this is spelled, it starts with an S. Yeah, and we're going to talk about math today. Does that give anyone a hint?
Is it symmetry? You mean it's same on both sides?
Yes. Very good, Whitney. So our definition of symmetry is being made up of the exact same parts. And when you fold it, it lines up along the axis. And I'm going to write up the definition so that we can see that and look forward to that in the lesson. I can write. So what does it mean for something to be made up of the exact same parts? Equal. Very good.
The total is the same.
Very good. So when I said you fold it along an axis, does that mean it may match up?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to give you guys these pictures. You can pick whatever picture you want. You can switch and look at different ones. And I'm going to give you this piece of yarn, and I want you guys to test whether you think it shows symmetry or not. So you're just going to take this piece of yarn and just kind of play around with your image and see if you think it matches up on different parts. What are you guys finding out?
Mine only does it one way.
Only one?
When I go from the corners, so I'm diagonal.
And is it the whole picture?
No.
Or is it just parts?
Just parts.
Just parts. Okay, so how would you describe how to find symmetry in an object? What do you have to look for?
The middle.
You have to find out where the middle is? Or
Where?
Stephanie? Do you have an idea?
The line that you divided.
Very good. So how you would divide it? So let's test this peacock. So if we would take this string and divide it this way, does that match up if you would fold it along hot dog style?
No.
No. So that is what we call asymmetrical. And that is when something does not match and it fails in symmetry. Okay? All right. So what are some real life examples that you can think of that you found symmetry in before?
An apple.
An apple. So does that match up? How would you test an apple?
You cut it down the middle, and both sides can go together.
Very good. What are some?
A butterfly.
A butterfly. Are there some butterflies that may not? Would they be asymmetrical?
I'm sure there's some.
Yeah. Is there a different way that you could test that butterfly to see if it's not symmetrical?
Well, if I fold it this way, it's symmetrical.
Very good. All right, so we can see that there are all kinds of different ways to find symmetry in objects. So today we are going to, we have a task by the world's best kite making company. And I need each of you, we're going to design kites. And I'm just going to give you each a color. And your guys' task is to make the best symmetrical kite. Okay? So we're going to start. I'm going to take a color for myself. So we're going to start. How do you think we can make a kite symmetrical? How do you think we're going to start?
Fold it one or the other way, like hot dog or hamburger.
Correct. So how do you think we should fold it? About hot dog style. Okay, so fold it hot dog style. And how does that show symmetry?